back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to disassemble the screen on the iPhone 6s Plus without a heat gun. Make sure you unscrew the bottom screws. Make sure that the phone is completely turned off. With this, it's very thin. I have to squeeze between the housing and the screen, and gently I have to remove the glue away from the screen, all around the screen. Once you have a good grip, you just peel it off. As you can see, I did not heat it up. Once you're in, remove these 5 screws. Metal. There you go. Simple and easy. The screen is still good, not cracked. You can remove all this. This is it. This is how you disassemble the screen off of the iPhone 6s Plus. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks.